It's all been written down. We all have our hands in the soup and make the music play just so. But we can only make it play just so much. You can't play the chord. God ain't wrote. He wrote the beginning and the end. He'll let you play around in the middle, but we got it all written down.
I don't know why he can't stay where he is. It ain't never nothing good with him. On the one side, he seems alright, then he'll turn on you every time. He'll flip that other side on you in a minute. He talks sugar, but he gives salt, because they both look the same.
You can't just go get rid of it. I don't care if you do have to call the Undertaker. That's life, woman. Can't nobody say what's gonna happen. He ain't even born and you got it in the casket already. You got things back. Talking about you ain't gonna explain it to nobody. You got to explain it to me.
Can't.
I ain't got the $50.
I need to get 75. I may as well hold on to it for 50.
Alright, well, I might be able to throw in another $5.
Okay, make it 10. Throw another 5 on top of that.
I just got $55. And if I give you that, then scrape the bottom of the barrel.
That's why I need this baby. Not because I took something out of the world, but because I want to put something in it. Let everybody know I was here. Now you got King Henry II, and then you got King Henry III.
I'm a truth sayer. I think about Floyd sometimes, but I know he in heaven. I saw him go up into heaven, carried by angels dressed in black with black hats.
I'm through with babies. I ain't raising no more. I ain't raising no grandkids. I'm looking out for Tommy.
You playing man's game now. Just be sure you know how to play.